Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 2, Chapter 9, Stupid Servant. Learning objectives, following the right path, understanding the importance of the correct path. तो हम क्या जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में? सही रास्ते को फॉलो करना यानी सही रास्ते पर ही चलना और सही रास्ते के क्या इंपॉर्टेंस होते हैं हम ये भी जानेंगे. Warm up. What is the little girl dreaming about? Think about what the little girl is dreaming about and then draw a picture of your idea. So kids, in this question, you will imagine that what the little girl is dreaming about and then you will draw your imagination in this box. Ramu. Yes sir. I dream of a saint. He said that if I invite him to my house and beat him on his head with the rod, he would change into a golden statue and I would become richer. So we should wait for the saint. तो इस पिक्चर में क्या देखा हमने कि एक आदमी और उसका नौकर है. आदमी बताता है अपने नौकर को कि रामू सुनो, मैंने एक सपना देखा और मैंने सपने में देखा कि हमारे घर पे जो है हम एक सेंट यानी साधु को इनवाइट करते हैं और उसे रॉड पे मारते हैं उसके सर पे और वो एक गोल्डन स्टैचू में बदल जाता है. सो वी शुड वेट फॉर द सेंट. तो हमें सेंट का इंतजार करना चाहिए. गिव मी द रॉड, आई विल हिट हिम ऑन द हेड. The saint changed into a golden statue as soon as the master struck him on the head. Oh, how wonderful! Really, sir, it is amazing. So उसके बाद उनके घर पे साधु आ ही जाता है और वो जो मालिक होता है वो फटाफट साधु के सर पे रॉड से मारता है और वो गोल्डन स्टैचू में बदल जाता है. To make myself richer, I'll also invite some saints to my house and beat them on their head. उसके बाद जो नौकर होता है वो सोचता है कि मुझे भी रिच बनना है और अपने आप को रिच बनाने के लिए मैं क्या करूँगा, कुछ साधुओं को अपने घर पे बुलाऊंगा और उनके सर पे रॉड से मारूंगा. He did so. The saints were hurt when the servant struck them with the rod. उसके बाद जब उसके घर पे सेंट्स आते हैं वो क्या करता है, उसे रॉड से मारता है. The saints went to the king and told their tragedy. Your Majesty, take the stupid servant and throw him into the prison. उसके बाद सेंट्स यानी साधु जो होते हैं वो वहाँ के राजा के पास जाते हैं और राजा जो है आदेश देते हैं कि उस स्टूपिड से सर्वेंट को जेल में डाल दिया जाए. Find meaning: tragedy, disaster, invite, welcome, disappeared, vanish, saint, holy person. Exercises: creative expression. Tell your story. What would you feel when the king tells you about his dream? Imagine yourself as the servant. Would you also invite the saints? So kids, इस क्वेश्चन में आप क्या करेंगे, आप इमेजिन करेंगे खुद को एज अ सर्वेंट और फिर आपको सोचना है कि आप क्या करते एंड देन यू विल डिस्क्राइब योर आंसर इन योर ओन वर्ड्स हियर. क्रॉस करिकुलर कनेक्ट. Learning by doing. The message of the story is that we should always follow our path. We should not walk on someone else's path. Read any story with the same theme and retell the theme of the story in your own words. तो हमने इस स्टोरी से क्या जाना कि हमें हमेशा अपने पाथ को फॉलो करना चाहिए, दूसरे के पाथ को नहीं करना चाहिए. और इसी से मिलती जुलती सिमिलर स्टोरी आप पढ़ेंगे और फिर आप बताएंगे उसको अपने ही अंदाज में. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Enact a role play in the class and choose your favorite character from the story. So kids, अभी जो आपने स्टोरी पढ़ी है उसको आपको इनैक्ट करना है यानी अपनी क्लास में उसका प्ले करना है. आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर चूज करेंगे, किंग का, सेंट्स का या सर्वेंट का, और फिर आप उनके डायलॉग्स बोलेंगे. इस तरह से आप एक प्ले रेडी करेंगे और क्लासरूम में इनैक्ट करेंगे. लॉजिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग. The servant also invited some saints to his house and hid them. What do you think about the character of the servant? Was the servant greedy, clever, stupid? The servant was stupid. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. A. Who saw a saint in his dream? Master saw a saint in his dream. B. Did the saint turn into a golden statue when the master beat him? Yes, the saint turned into a golden statue when the master beat him. C. What did the servant think? The servant too thought that he will invite some saints in his house and then beat them on their head. D. Whom did the saint tell their tragedy? The saints tell their tragedy to the king. E. What did the king order to his soldier? The king ordered to his soldier to put the servant in the prison. B. Find their meanings. A. Prison. Jail. B. Statue. A figure of person or animals. C. Offer. Proposal. D. Majesty. King. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The saint will change dash statue. Golden. B. The master hit the saint. C. The servant was thrown to prison. D. Take the correct option. A. The name of the servant in the story is first Manu, second Ramu, third Raghu. Ramu. B. The master saw A N dash in his dream. First angel, second ghost, third saint. Saint. C. The master dash the saint. First clothes, second food, third hit. Hit. E. Match the following. Column A, column B. 1. Master. Dream. 2. Servant. Prison. 3. Saint. Tragedy. Conceptual understanding. Write T for true sentence and F for false sentences. 1. The saint gave the food to the master. False. 2. The servant feeds the food to the saints. False. 3. The master praised the servant for this deed. False. 4. The servant was thrown into prison. True. Communication. Writing skills. Which character do you like the most? Write 3 sentences about it. You can begin like this. Hints. Why do you like the character? Use describing words to write about your favorite character. Choose the describing word from the box below. So kids, here are some words are given. With the help of these words, you will describe the given pictures. For example, the girl is happy. She is wearing pink top and green pant. She is going for a shopping. Second picture, the boy is very smart. He got A+ in his class test. So kids, like this you will describe the remaining pictures. listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read out some words. Listen to him, her carefully and write down the magical words in your notebook. Practice this conversation. Let's read the conversation. Teacher, do you respect your elders? Student, yes, I respect my elders. Teacher, how do you greet your elders in the morning? Student, I greet them by saying good morning. Teacher, how should you speak to others? Student, we should speak very gently and politely to others. Teacher, what do you say when you receive something from others? Student, we say thank you. Teacher, what do you say when you do something wrong? Student, we say sorry. Teacher, what do you say when you request someone? Student, we say please. Teacher, what do you say when someone is going for a long journey? Student, we say happy journey. So kids, the magical words are thank you, sorry, please and happy journey. So kids, here your chapter is finished and see you in next class.